Welcome to the Wishing Star. It was Christmas Eve, and Mia and Liam were looking at the night sky from their cozy window.
Look, Liam. That's the wishing star.
Mia pointed at the brightest star in the sky. Can we make wishes on it, Mia? Liam gasped.
Yes. Let's each make a Christmas wish.
Mia nodded. What did Mia and Liam see in the sky? A shooting star, the wishing star, or the moon? The answer is the wishing star.
Hello, Mia and Liam.
As they closed their eyes to wish, they heard a warm voice behind them.
Santa.
Mia and Liam exclaimed together, thrilled to see him.
I see you found the wishing star, a very special star on Christmas Eve.
Santa chuckled. What should we wish for, Santa? Liam asked, looking thoughtful. Who did Mia and Liam find by the window? Mia and Liam found Santa Claus by the window. True, or false? The answer is true.
Wishes are powerful when they come from the heart. Why not wish for something that helps others?
Santa smiled.
I wish everyone has a warm place to be this Christmas.
Mia thought for a moment. I wish everyone has someone to celebrate with. Liam smiled.
Those are wonderful wishes. The wishing star shines brightest for kindness.
Santa beamed. What kind of wishes did Santa say shine the brightest? Wishes for others? Wishes for toys? Or wishes for candy? The answer is wishes for others.
Will our wishes really come true?
Mia looked at Santa.
Kind wishes have a special magic. And you've just made the world a little brighter.
Santa nodded. Mia and Liam's hearts filled with joy, knowing they had shared Christmas magic. Thank you, Santa, for helping us, Liam said, hugging them tightly. How did Mia and Liam feel after making their wishes? Happy, sad, or tired? The answer is happy.
Merry Christmas, Mia and Liam. Keep believing in the magic of kindness.
Santa waved goodbye. As Santa disappeared, Mia and Liam felt a warm glow inside, knowing they'd made a difference. They held hands, gazing up at the wishing star, now knowing that Christmas magic was all around them. That Christmas Eve, Mia and Liam learned that the greatest gifts come from the heart.